Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name remains Console Onyekwere, and right here right now we are going to be addressing this issue concerning where Hamster Kombat is going to be listed. Okay, so I've already made my research and I am going to be pouring my mind right here so that everybody is going to do the right thing while it is still time. So guys, we have come to the most important aspect of every airdrop, which is the payday. Just as you know just as you know this popular saying, they usually put it like this: a worker is worthy of his pay. So we are fast approaching the payday for Hamster Combat, and there's this controversy about where Hamster Combat is going to be listed, how to convert it to USDT and then withdraw to your bank account. You understand? Where is the best place to sell your USDT? I'm going to be walking you through step by step everything you have to know, and also how you can convert your Hamster Combat, the best place you can convert it, and then how to withdraw into your bank account. So make sure you are going to follow this video step by step. Don't skip any part of this video. And lastly, I don't know why most of you watch my videos and you don't give it a like. It is very, very important so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people and it can reach out more people that needs it just as you needed it. So make sure you give this video a like right now. Okay, so this is a comment now that I got. It said, the person said over here, just look at it right here. It says, can we choose Binance as a exchange platform, should be as an exchange platform, since it isn't listed on the Aware exchange platform? Please, anyone. And then the answer he got here is, same question I want to ask: should I choose KuCoin? My present exchange is Binance. Okay, so I want to quickly say something now. Remember the time you were playing Hamster Combat? There's a place they told you to choose your exchange. You are going to, okay, let me just head right over to that place so that everybody can be following what we are doing right here. Okay, so if I just click on Hamster Combat right now, you are going to see for yourself there's a place they told you to choose an exchange just right over here. Okay, it says here choose an exchange, so you can see all the exchanges that are presently here. You can see that of Binance, Bybit, OKX, and more. Okay, so they told you to choose an exchange doesn't mean that they are foolish. They want you to choose an exchange doesn't mean that they are foolish, because most people saw this as an ordinary game and then they decided to choose anything here. But I still believe that they did it for a purpose. They did it for a purpose. And now many people have already connected their wallets, this Telegram wallet, and this controversy is still going on. People are asking, where is Hamster Combat going to be listed? Where is it going to be hosted? Will it be on Telegram wallets, or will it be on any of these exchanges which is being listed here? The answer is very, very simple to this question. The simple answer I can tell you is this. Now, follow this step now. Go back. Let's just go back, get back, and then let me enter my wallet. So on reaching to my wallet now, I want you to notice something. When Notcoin was listed, Notcoin was also added to Telegram wallet. Okay, now let me click on this more assets. No, if you are new to all this crypto stuff, you just have to follow the lead of somebody that have been into it for a long time. Okay, and it happens that I know of these things, so you just have to follow my leadings. Just follow it step by step so that you are not going to make any mistake. So if you notice here, you are going to see that Notcoin was not in Telegram wallet. It wasn't listed as one of the coins or coin pairs. But see right over here, you can see Notcoin here. So that simply means one thing. There is high chance and high tendency that after the listing of Hamster Combat will also be added right here on Telegram wallet. And except from it being added, any exchange that you choose from that Hamster site, it is also likely that Hamster is going to also be listed on all those exchanges right there that you see there. But now, coming to the aspect of the best place to sell your Hamster Combat, I will never advise you to go for Telegram to go and sell your Hamster Combat token. Now, ask me why. If you ask me why now, this is the simple answer. The simple answer is the liquidity on Telegram wallet will be very low. It will be very low, and you are not going to see much people to sell your Hamster Combat token. And at last, you might end up finding people to buy it at a lower rate but higher quantity, thereby resulting to a loss for you. Just imagine now, the pre-market sale have started for Hamster Combat, but ask yourself something. Is Telegram wallet hosting this pre-market sale? No. But are other exchanges, just these exchanges that you see right here on Hamster Combat, those exchanges that you just saw, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, are they hosting the pre-sale? Yes, they are hosting the pre-sales. Look at them here. Binance, Bybit, OKX, BingX, HTX, KuCoin, all of them here, they are hosting the pre-sale. But is Telegram hosting it? No. So that means more people will be available on these exchanges. So these exchanges will be the best place to sell your Hamster Combat. That is just the truth. These exchanges will be the best place to sell your Hamster Combat token. So don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Don't just relax because of you have connected your wallet, you have verified your wallet on Telegram. Yes, Hamster Combat might have they might have been they will be established on the Tone ecosystem, but that doesn't mean that this exchange you shouldn't get it. And then coming to the aspect of I choose Binance, but I want to use OKX, I will advise you use the same exchange that you choose. So as me now, look at my own, I chose Bybit. I will be also using Bybit. And then if you're in Nigeria, just as I am, I won't advise you go for Binance or for KuCoin because their services are presently partially restricted. So I won't advise you go for Binance or for KuCoin. Rather, the best I'm going to recommend for you is Bybit. Bybit right over here. So, oh boy, if you are into crypto and you think you just want to have Telegram wallet, hey, you are not ready yet. You have to get. In fact, personally for me, I have up to 3 different exchanges, but I am most active on Bybit. You have to get more exchanges for yourself. So if you want to get Bybit right now, I can walk you through step by step on how to get it. You can check the description section of this video. You are going to see the link there. Then you click on it and register on Bybit. That's if you don't have an exchange yet. So if you think Hamster Combat is going to launch and you are just going to have your Telegram wallet, it's likely that they might still host it on Telegram. It's likely it might still appear there, but the liquidity rates will be very, very low. And I know you won't like to end up incurring loss on your coin. So therefore, The only advice I just have to tell you right now is for you to get any of this exchange. Which one did you choose the time they asked you to choose an exchange? If you went for Bybit, then get your Bybit ready and prepared. Verify it and keep it ready. If you went for OKX, also verify it and keep it ready. And the pre-sale is also available. So if you want to get the pre-sale now, just head over to your exchange and you know, type it, you know, as you used to do it. Get the pair and then get to buy it right now. The pre-sale is presently available. It's presently available. So make sure you are going to keep all these things in place. Getting your Telegram is not alone. It's not it's not enough. It's not alone enough. So you have to get your exchange ready and also your Telegram ready, so that if it happens to fall by the right, you are still going to be safe. If it happens to fall by the left, you are still going to be safe. Okay? That's just it. It's very simple. It's a very, very simple something. You understand? It's a very simple something. So once you just click on your wallet, you are going to see that Notcoin was listed here. So it's likely that Hamster Kombat is still coming here. Okay, so just make sure you get your exchange ready and also your Telegram ready. And I hope you have also verified your Telegram. Yeah, I hope you have verified it, because you have to verify it and then connect it to your Hamster Kombat. So that is all I just have to tell you in this video. That is all I just have to tell you. Just make sure you keep all these things ready, because you know most airdrops used to have a limited time to claim the airdrop. So if Hamster Combat happens to be one of such, you won't have enough time to start getting for yourself, downloading your exchange and then verifying it. Before you might have done all those things, they might have burned the whole coin, and then you might end up incurring a total loss upon say you participated in the airdrop, upon say you did there since the tap, yet you no go get anything. So it's better you just find the black goat while it is still there. Make sure you are going to get this all these things ready before the day of launch. And then, which day is the day of launch? They are proposing next month, which is July, but they said it might still come earlier than July. But just get everything ready. If possible today, get everything ready. Okay, so that is just all I just have to tell you in this video. So I'm going to appreciate it a lot if you give this video a like. And then if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification. Join our social handles on WhatsApp and Telegram via the links you are going to see on the description section of this video. So guys, see you in my next video and stay blessed.